And if you look at CNCF landscape or CNCF ecosystem right now, what are some of the things, if we just narrow, because they do a lot of things, narrow it down to platform engineering, what are the
Sure.
things that gets you excited today?
Things that get me excited about what's happening in CNCF today. Um,
Don't say AI.
it's what I'm avoiding, actually. It is a consistent conversation piece.
Like, it could be AI also, it doesn't matter.
So the observability space has always been very interesting to me. Having visibility into what's going on inside of our systems. The work that's being done specifically with eBPF and observability in that space. I mean, it's really impacted the way we do networking, right? And I have some friends who work in the observability, and so the strides that I'm seeing there, the fact that we can move into a situation to where we don't have to instrument things as granularly, but you just get information from the kernel. That's super interesting to me. And then, yeah, man, like just overall, like conversations that I'm having with people in the platform engineering space about how like it's less focused about technology, but more focused on like a higher level of how we solve a problem, right? And I've been in this space for a while, and I'm really seeing as an industry we're really coming around to like solving hard problems.